Man, I am tired. Shoot, I hope my stocks are doing alright. Probably not. Oh well, let's make some coffee. Boop. Coffee grinds from yesterday, huh? Bet there's still caffeine in there. Minimalist, am I right? Alright. Let's pour some of this Joe. Looks good. Alright. Damn, I really don't want to dirty a spoon. Wait a minute. I have a 3D printer. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's get rid of this thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. I don't have a spoon. Let's go to Thingiverse. Let's see what we got. Yes, it's good. That works. Upload. Damn it, upload. Come on. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Okay, looks good. Let's put this flat. Alright. Change some specs. Infill 100. Speed 120. Blah blah blah. Alright, looks good. Looks good. Alright. 3 hours later. Awesome. Pop. Now let's add some epoxy. Alright, get out of my way. Alright, spoon. Check. Brush. Check. Let's move that out of the way. Don't want to cut myself. Cup. Check. All natural epoxy. Safe Echo at. Safe Echo at. Acrylic. Alright. All done. Alright, there we go. Now dip 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 dip. Boom. Alright. 1 day later. Come on. Let go. There we go. Looks good to me. Good enough. Alright. Fair enough. Let's go. Oh my god, it's like one teaspoon. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. And put that on the side. Midday, but job well done. What's going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that short video. So I'm probably gonna be asked this. So PLA is a polylactic acid, which is biodegradable and non-toxic. And the epoxy that I use is also biodegradable and non-toxic. It's pretty much made out of nuts like walnuts and almonds. I didn't even know you can extract something like that out of nuts. But yeah, you know, I did a lot of research. The stuff I use is non-toxic and it's also biodegradable again. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just let me know if you like that, if you enjoy it, because I have a tons of idea about making other ones. So yeah, my name is Richard Alvarez. This is my channel, Richard's Revelation, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.